Good morning, guys. Today's Thursday, May 21st. We are nearly done. Well, I suppose that makes us just over halfway done with week 38 of the school year. So we are getting so close. You'll have each class counting today 3 more times. Today, periods 1, 2, 3. Tomorrow, periods 4, 5, 6. Then 1 more week of class. So let's get started. We're going to review today converting improper fractions to mixed numbers and back again, which means mixed numbers to improper fractions. But first, think it Thursday. Miles thinks that there is a 3/4 chance of rain today. Express this as a percent. Usually when you watch the news, they talk about it as a percent. They'll say 50% chance of rain today or a 90% chance of rain today. So Miles thinks there's a 3/4 chance, so we have to turn that into a percent. So what we have is a 2-step problem. The first thing we need to do is turn 3/4 into a decimal by dividing. When we divide top by bottom or numerator by denominator. Step 2, we turn the decimal into a percent, and we know how easy that is. So let's do this thing. So we divide 3/4, which is 3 divided by 4, and when we do this, 3 divided by 4, we know that 4 doesn't go into 3, so we have our 0. We add our decimal point, we bring down a 0, so we know that 4 can go into 30, so let's think of how many times. If we skip count by 4s, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. So we're at 28. That's 7 times. We have 2 left over. We're going to add another 0 here because 4 is going to go into 20 exactly 5 times. So our decimal is 0.75, 0.75. Either is the same. So we're going to finish this problem by moving the decimal 2 spots to the right, and we now have 75% chance of rain. Simple enough. So when we take a mixed number and turn it into an improper fraction, because we have to do that in order to add it or subtract it, we need to multiply the big number, that's the whole number, by the bottom number, which is the denominator, and then add the top number, which is the numerator. And remember, the only number that we're changing is the top number, or the numerator. So we're in the example here, we have 3.5. We're going to take the 3. We are going to multiply it by 2. Then we are going to add the top number. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So this is going to be 7/2. Simple enough. So we multiply the big number by the bottom, add the top. Going the other direction is improper fraction to mixed number. We have to divide. Rylan, sorry to hear that. 11 divided by 3. So when we have 11 divided by 3, the first one is how many times does 3 go into 11? So we'll skip count. 3, 6, 9. It doesn't go in more than that, so we have a 3. I'm going to bring it over here. We have a 3. Now we're done because 3 isn't going to go into 2. So let's make our mixed number. The whole number is over here. So we have 3. The numerator, or the top number, is down here. So we're going to have a 2. And the denominator, or the bottom number, is there. So we're going to have the 3. So use the Google Doc to do a little practice. There are like 10 problems, so there's 5 of each. Refer back to this video if you need help. If you really need help, or if you just want to chit-chat, or if you're bored, whatever, send me an email. We can do a Google Hangout. We can chat. We can include Miles on that. We can include Mr. Peterson on that. Whatever you guys want. I do check my email throughout the morning and throughout the afternoon. So just shoot me a note. Next week, Monday is no school. That's Memorial Day. Tuesday and Thursday, we have periods 1, 2, and 3. Wednesday and Friday, periods 4, 5, and 6. Friday is the last instructional day. So you won't have to be going into science or whatever class to see what your assignments are after Friday. The final week of school, June 1 through the 4th. Monday and Tuesday is designated totally for makeup work. So anything extra that you want to do to improve your grade, any assignments that you're trying to finish, that's when you finish. We, teachers, will still be available to talk. We'll still be available to help. So you'd only have to let us know if you need help. Wednesday and Thursday is going to be turning in your device and your charger and picking up anything left at school. So they'll have any of your stuff in a paper bag, and you'll just be coming and turning in iPads and chargers. So there will be emails coming out from Miss Wendell about when people can come. It'll be based on the alphabet. You can't just show up whenever you feel like it. And that's it. So guys, I'm just going to keep encouraging you to finish strong. We are so close to being done with the school year. There's people doing fantastic work and doing a lot of work, and I appreciate that a great deal. You guys are going to be keeping up. You guys are going to be doing well. I'm concerned for guys who are falling way behind. I'm concerned that we're going to lose ground in all areas, reading and math and writing. So we do have a couple of weeks. Let's go ahead and finish strong. Have a good day.